Welcome back to Steve Smallingen Saloon.
Okay, here we are. Day 14 of 30 Days of Questions. This is a great warranty question. Okay, my dealer refused to honor my warranty twice. Seriously? Twice? What gives? Steve?
Yeah, I've heard this so many times. I've worked at dealers for so many years. I've heard it all when it comes to the people fighting about whether it's warranty or not. So here's in a nutshell what warranty actually means. Stihl has a 2-year warranty. There are so many people out there that still believe that the warranty means you get free repairs for 2 years. That is not the case. They are saying that they are warranting or guaranteeing their equipment for 2 years, that if there's a manufacturer's defect in that, they will fix that for you, or the dealership is actually going to fix it for you, but it's at no cost to you. Say you bought this blower right here and you bring it back 2 days later to your dealership and say, hey, I just bought this thing 2 days ago. It has a 2-year warranty. It doesn't start now. And the dealer's going to be, okay, well, leave it and we'll have a look at it. It gets on the mechanic's bench and the mechanic opens the fuel container up. He pours that out into a clear container so he can see the fuel, and it's half full of water. How is that the manufacturer's fault that you put water in your fuel tank? Of course it's not going to start. And then you come back to pick it up and the dealer says, okay, so that'll be X amount of dollars. And then you're raging mad and you're like, well, this has a 2-year warranty. Why am I being charged? I've seen them come back full of diesel, kerosene. I had one come in once that I swear it was turpentine in the tank. It was black turpentine that somebody just washed their paintbrushes out in and then filled the tank up with that. Seriously? Oh no, it's warranty. I'm dead serious. And they were like, no, it's warranty. It's warranty. I can't pay for that. Manufacturer's defects, not user error.
Yeah.
How's that?
Makes sense to me.
All right.
Awesome. Thank you, Steve.
Right
I think
on.
that clarifies it.
I think so.
Okay, that's day 14's question. Day 15 will be coming up. And if you like that, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. If you missed the previous day's questions, they're in the description below, or you can always go back to our channel. They're in the Saloon Mail playlist. And I think that's about it.
That's it for me too.
All right, April and Steve out.